Hi friends, today we will discuss some question answer sessions from the topic immune system. First question is, antibodies are produced by options: plasma cells, lymphocytes, erythrocytes, basophils. Correct answer is option B, lymphocytes. Immunoglobulin increased during secondary response is options: IgD, IgG, IgM and IgA. Answer is option B, IgG. Plasma cells are formed from options: T cells, B cells, RBC, WBC. Correct answer is option B, B cells. Next question. Secondary immune response is mediated by options: IgA, IgG, IgM, IgE. Correct answer is option B, IgG. All of the following are the organs of lymphatic system except tonsils, thymus, spleen, pancreas. Correct answer is option D, pancreas. How to palpate lymph nodes? Options: with pressure and tip of fingers. Apply pressure while palpating the lymph nodes. Palpate superficial lymph nodes with the tip of the fingers. Use palm of hands while palpating the lymph nodes. Correct answer is option A, with pressure and tip of fingers. Next question is, humoral immunity is provided by T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, immunoglobulin, interferon. Answer is B lymphocytes. Humoral immunity is also known as cell mediated, antibody mediated, natural, interferon mediated. Correct answer is antibody mediated. T cell immunity is cell mediated, antibody mediated, natural, interferon mediated. Correct answer is cell mediated. Next question. Occurrence of certain disease or subclinical infection provide dash immunity. Options: natural active, natural passive, active artificial, passive artificial. Correct answer is natural active. Vaccination provides dash immunity. Options: natural active, natural passive, active artificial, passive artificial. The answer is active artificial. When a B cell is exposed to an antigen for the first time. Options: the primary response occurs. The primary response takes 1 to 3 hours to become effective. The B cells divides to form plasma cells and T helper cells. The B memory cells produce antibodies. Correct answer is option A, the primary response occurs. Question number 13. The following statements are true in reference to endotoxins except options: they are lipopolysaccharides in nature. They are released from the bacterial surface by natural lysis. They are heat-labile proteins. Their toxicity depends in the lipid component. Correct answer is option C. They are heat-labile proteins. Type of hypersensitivity reaction occurs during transfusion erythroblastosis. Details are type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Correct answer is option B, type 2. Lifelong immunity developed after the occurrence of disease is known as options: natural passive immunity, artificial passive immunity, natural active immunity, artificial active immunity. The answer is natural active immunity. Cell-mediated immunity is carried out by B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, monocytes, CD4 cells. Correct answer is T lymphocytes. Which of the following type of hypersensitivity is known as delayed type hypersensitivity and is carried out by T lymphocytes? Option A type 1, B type 2, C type 3, option D type 4. Correct answer is option D type 4. Identify the correct statement related to type 1 hypersensitivity. Option A. Immunoglobulin responsible for type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is IgE. Mast cells are important cells in type 1 hypersensitivity. Immunoglobulin responsible for type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is IgE. Both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. That means immunoglobulin responsible for type 1 hypersensitivity reaction is IgE and mast cells are important cells in type 1 hypersensitivity. Immediate treatment of anaphylaxis is adrenaline, benzyl penicillin, hydrocortisone, atropine. Answer is adrenaline. During blood transfusion therapy, patient developed wheezing and her skin became flushed with hives. These are the characteristics of hemolytic reaction, allergic reaction, transfusion reaction, thrombotic crisis. The correct answer is option number B, allergic reaction. Next question. Identify the transfusion reaction among the following: hemolytic transfusion reaction, infections, allergic reaction, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. That means the transfusion reactions are hemolytic transfusion reaction, infections and allergic reactions. Identify autoimmune disease among the following: SLE, Graves' disease, myasthenia gravis, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. The nurse is caring for a child who is taking corticosteroids for SLE. The nurse carefully monitors child condition because the nurse is aware that corticosteroids can have what major action? Options: they increases liver enzymes, they can mask sign of infection, they cause bone marrow suppression, they decrease renal function. Correct answer is option B. HLA elevates in dash condition. Options: congenital malformation, malignant tumor, hepatic disorders, autoimmune disorder. Correct answer is autoimmune disorder. A. Rose of an existing antibody level in response to irrelevant. Options: anaphylactic reaction, anamnestic reaction, agglutination reaction, precipitation reaction. Correct answer is anamnestic reaction. Delayed hypersensitivity reaction can be managed with adrenaline, dopamine, IV fluids, corticosteroids. Correct answer is option D, corticosteroids.